For millions of years, human beings have been evolving and developing by relying on the Earth. However, everything that happens now seems to imply that the Earth is declining. Global warming is accelerating. The disadvantages of conventional energy are increasingly prominent. In order to adapt to the trend of industrial upgrading in the new era and the new demand for green energy consumption, the R&D and application of new energy is imminent. Energy storage is the key link in the application process of new energy. Many countries are introducing energy storage incentive policies. The energy storage demand is growing explosively, yet the uneven capacity layout has led to huge capacity gaps in major demanding markets such as North America, Europe, and Australia. In order to tackle this challenge, ZNTECH has developed the CM-GTS capacity module global transferring system. Through component design and rapid integration of core modules such as supply chain system, intelligent factory, core technology, personnel, digital production management system, ZNTECH CM-GTS is able to be projected to any region in the globe, building local intelligent production and manufacturing centers, rapidly responding to local market demand, improving local competitiveness of products, thereby quickly occupying the local market.